Hello, in this video we're going to look at how you can connect your Allcode by Bluetooth. There's the default screen of the Allcode device. This has just had the API reloaded. There is a video on doing that if you've overwritten your Allcode software using a flowcode program and USB. The next thing you want to do is go to your Bluetooth settings in Windows, and you want to add a new Bluetooth device, and basically you make sure the device is turned on and it's discoverable, and you can see there this is the same number as you can see on the screen on your buggy, FA104793, and the default pin is 1234. So we can connect that, and it now says it's connected and paired and it's ready to go. Okay.